Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to talk to you regarding depression. All of us know that nowadays everybody in this planet suffers from some levels of depression in their life, and it's just because the way the life has been. It's nothing that you can do anything about it. No matter how we try to be happy, still we've got some levels of anxiety and depression inside of us, and sometimes this depression just flows over and shows in our life more vivid and more bold, like sometimes without any reason you can feel that you're so not in the mood, you have mood swings, you're just so depressed, you don't like anything, you don't feel to do anything like your daily tasks, and it just really affects your daily life routine, and it's really something annoying and really uncomfortable. Well, this kind of depression, as I said, it's just because of the way that the life has become, and it's the way that we live. It's the modern lifestyle that we have, all the machines around us, and all the lack of communication between humans, between the Mother Earth and humans, between animals and humans, between the nature and humans. It makes us more depressed, and some people they really sometimes they become numb, and they try artificially to just ignore this fact, but anyway sometimes it really shows itself up to our life. And sometimes it's just because you are internally suffering from a lack of some hormones, or sometimes you are undergoing some kind of medical process that it makes you to feel this way. No matter what the reason, the most important thing is that we have to realize this and we have to do something about it. Of course, I'm not talking about that you should cut everything and change your life totally and go out and be in the nature, take your life in the nature, or be somebody else, because it's really not really possible, or just stop your medical process or whatever. It's not the way, but there are some ways that I came up myself and I want to share with you. It's not just changing your lifestyle or change your diet, food. Yeah, these things should work in some kind of long-term basis. It needs time, but when you are in the depression, is you're not really feeling to go ahead and do some kind of other lifestyle. You don't feel to do actually anything. You're not willing to just go and have some kind of special diet food that your depression should go away. Literally, you just lay in the bed all day, you sleep, you don't feel to do anything. If I want to tell about myself, like sometimes in my life also, in general, this depression and mood swing comes to me, and in those times I just I shut down my life. Like, I just go in bed and I lie and I sleep. I don't like to do anything. I keep crying for no reason. I have like these mood swings. For 1 minute I feel so happy and I think that I have to be happy, I have a life and this and that. I try to think about all the good things around me, and then another minute I feel so down and crying, and I have no idea why this is happening. And you really don't want this, but it just happens to you. It's not in your hand. So yeah, it happens to me. So in that case, I'm not in that kind of situation that I should go ahead and make some kind of nice food diet that helps my mood to be better, or change my lifestyle, start going out and gym and all that. No, we need some push before to go into that phase and do all those things. So that first initial push is very important. So in this case, usually people, what they do, that is like they go to a counselor, they talk to people, they they have sessions, they talk about it, to just vent out basically. Well, this might help to some extent, but it for me it's not really helping me just going 3 times a week to somebody and talk about my problems or how I feel is not really something that is going to change my mood. Or if somebody tells me what to do and, you know, try to motivate me, no, it's not enough for me. And I am not really keen to go ahead and get some prescriptions and, you know, see a doctor and talk about my problems so that they can just prescribe some kind of chemicals, you know, supplements and pills that I should go ahead and eat every day, and I get like so much addicted and dependent to those pills, that without them I turn out to be like a lunatic and like a crazy person. I definitely don't want, and I don't agree with that. I do not want, even if I was in a very worst kind of depression in my life, I would never wanted to go to get some prescriptions and have some pills and, you know, to change myself. I totally disagree with this one, so this is out of my options. But I want to tell you, there are some kind of natural ways that you can do that. I did it, and I want to talk about my personal experience, because lately I just started suffering from some kind of mood swings, and, you know, it was like affecting my life. I was not able to do my tasks, so I had responsibilities, so I was aware of this thing that is going to happen to me. I really wanted to change it, and I started really researching and checking for some kind of natural supplement, natural things that it can help me to change, something that really works. So I came across to some kind of supplements, natural supplements that people that were using it, and you can buy it over the counter. They are not going to make you crazy and so dependent on them. It's just like a food supplement or like a vitamin supplement that you can take, and it's completely natural. So I came across this supplement, which I want to tell you, 5-HTP Pro. Probably so many of you heard about this. I have been using this for the last month, and I really get very good results. Really helped me and just took me out of my shell, out of my whatever that I was feeling, and really helped me. So if you want to know more about this, whatever I research, I just simply going to tell you in a simple language that basically 5-HTP is a natural substance that is happening inside our body, and is just kind of responsible for happiness and well-being of our nervous system, also well-being of our mind. So this is a very simple you know, definition of it, and if you get this supplement, it'll help you to restore all of that in your body. So basically this is a natural plant-based supplement. The 5-HTP has been extracted from an African plant. I'm going to put the name of the plant here for you. I cannot pronounce it, sorry. And it's completely natural, and I just got the reviews, and many people, they were really happy with this one, and they were saying that it really helped them. And I started having this before my bedtime every day, and it was really good. The only thing is that the very first time that I took this, I took 2 tablets, and I started having some kind of stomachache, and it just lasted for 20 minutes and it just went away. And after that I decided to have only 1 tablet. So I recommend you to just go with 1 tablet only. I mean, you can go ahead with 2 tablets if you're really suffering from more depression levels, but you might feel some kind of this kind of side effects. When I took 1 tablet from the day after, everything was fine, nothing happened to me, and all good. I never had any side effect. So this was my experience. Some people, they say this is really preferable to take it in the night before your bedtime, really. So you need to do that. And some people, I'm taking it with water. Some people, they say the best is to get the most effect is to not take it with the water, to take it with something solid like a piece of bread and swallow. Well, I never tried that, but they say if you happen to have this and it's not working on you, you feel that it's not working on you, it's because you're taking it with water. So you need to take it with some kind of solid like a piece of bread. So you can just, you know, try this the way that I told you. For me it's fine with butter and it's all good. And just wanted to introduce this to you. This is 120 tablets. I'm going to link down this product on the description box of this video. If you would like, you can go ahead and get one for yourself. It's really, really good. And if the links are not working for you, you can just comment your country and I can send you the correct link for this product. And hopefully this is going to work for you too. Just wanted to share this with you, and I hope you feel all the time happy in your life. One more thing, guys, I would not recommend to eat this one like for the rest of your life. I totally don't recommend that. For example, if I'm getting this whole bottle, I'm going to finish this and then I'm going to give it a rest for probably 2 to 3 months, and then maybe I'll have again one more bottle, or I will have whenever I feel that I need it. So yeah, this shouldn't be something that you should take for the rest of your life ongoing like a vitamin. So just keep that in your mind. And yeah, that was the one that I just wanted to share with you, and I'm sure that is going to help you. So you take care of yourself, and I hope you're always happy. Until then.